Nestled deep within Iceland's eastern fjords lies Seyðisfjörður, a small town surrounded by towering mountains and endless waterfalls. This is where nature and art blend into one. A place where the sound of the sea meets the silence of the misty peaks, and every corner tells a story of resilience, creativity, and harmony with the elements. Founded in the late 19th century by Norwegian fishermen, Seyðisfjörður quickly became a vibrant trading post. Its colorful wooden houses, shipped piece by piece from Norway, still stand today, perfectly preserved along the harbor. Walking through its streets feels like stepping back in time. Yet, there's a pulse of modern Icelandic life everywhere you turn. The town is famous for its blue church, the rainbow-painted street, and its strong community of artists, filmmakers, and musicians. Each summer, Seyðisfjörður becomes the beating heart of Iceland's creative scene, hosting the Lunga Art Festival, where locals and visitors transform the town into a living gallery of colors, music, and imagination. Beyond its artistic soul lies a raw, untouched wilderness. Hiking paths wind up to the Vestdalur Valley, revealing crystal-clear rivers and forgotten ruins from Iceland's earliest settlers. Everywhere you look, waterfalls pour down from the cliffs, more than 20 of them, turning the fjord into a living cascade of sound and motion. In winter, the mountains close in, snow covers the harbor, and life slows to the rhythm of nature. Yet even in isolation, Seyðisfjörður glows, a haven for peace, reflection, and inspiration. Here, the northern lights dance across the fjord like brushstrokes on a dark canvas. Seyðisfjörður is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, a reminder that beauty thrives in simplicity, and that in the quietest corners of the world, the human spirit shines the brightest. Whether you arrive by ferry, car, or heart, Seyðisfjörður will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Just 10 minutes from the harbor of Seyðisfjörður lies a hidden world, Vestdalur, the West Valley. Here, nature has carved its own masterpiece. Towering cliffs, endless streams, and a series of waterfalls that tumble down through the moss-covered rocks, filling the valley with the constant sound of water and wind. The trail begins above the town and leads gently into the heart of the valley. Every few steps reveal a new cascade, each one more beautiful than the last. Locals call them the Vestdalsfossar, the waterfalls of Vestdalur. It's a short hike, but it feels like a journey through time, through Iceland's raw, untouched spirit. On misty mornings, the peaks of Mount Bjólfur rise above the fog, watching silently over the valley. The air is cold and pure. The light shifts every minute, painting the landscape in silver and blue. You can feel how small you are here, yet somehow completely alive. Vestdalur is more than just a place to visit. It's a reminder of why people fall in love with Iceland. It's quiet, powerful, and endlessly changing. Just a few minutes from the harbor, but a world away from everything else.